Hello and welcome dear learners to the another informative video on capsule description and the best practices. Here we will discuss on the capsule description and the best practices for two-piece capsules or hard capsules. Mainly the two-piece capsules or hard capsules are made with gelatin and HPMC. So let's start with the video. Capsule description. See, description of the formulation is a part of COA and product label. It is a part of how supplied section and patient information leaflet. Sometimes the capsule picture is given on the carton or bottle label. There are no specific guidelines available for the capsule description, but we can refer ICH-Q6 for description. See what the ICH-Q6 says about description. A qualitative description of the dosage form should be provided, that is size, shape and color. If any of these characteristics change during manufacture or storage, this change should be investigated and appropriate action taken. The acceptance criteria should include the final acceptable appearance. If color changes during storage, a quantitative procedure may be appropriate. That simply means whatever the description you are providing, that should be maintained in the shelf life, and if there is any change in color, that should be that should have a quantitative procedure as it may be appropriate. Now let's start with the examples. These are very distinctive examples I have selected from the publicly available information on the internet. So see for example 1, blue opaque capsule with 54881 printed in black ink on the cap and body, containing white to off-white powder. Here the capsule color is mentioned, printing is mentioned, and the description of the capsule content is given. Example 2. Capsules have light blue opaque cap imprinted with the company symbol and a white opaque body imprinted with R150. The color of imprinting is black. Example 3. Opaque red-brown cap and body imprinted in white ink. Here white ink is used to imprint the red-brown capsule shell to have a contrast. Example 4. Opaque hard gelatin amethyst colored capsules with 2 radial bars in yellow on the cap and the product name in the yellow on the body. So here the product name is included in yellow. Yellow bars are given on the cap. Those are called as radial bars because of the radial printing, and one bigger band is there in the center position of the capsule. So that is band sealing. Band sealing I will discuss in the upcoming slides. Example 5. Delayed release capsules sprinkle are supplied as transparent yellow and opaque white capsules containing enteric coated granules. Here the enteric coated granules are in the capsule, so that description is given there. Then example 6. Capsules are orange opaque and natural with markings. So here the body is clear, that is transparent, and the cap is opaque. So that is mentioned in the description. Example 7. Clear capsules and imprinted with WC 400 mg in black ink. Each capsule contains 4 reddish brown coated tablets. Here surprisingly you can see the 4 tablets, coated tablets are kept into the capsule for a single dose. Example 8. Blue opaque cap printed with C280 and white opaque body imprinted with 0.5 by 0.4 in black ink containing a white to off-white spherical shaped pellets and one oblong opaque yellow soft gel capsule imprinted with C300 in black ink. So in this capsule there are pellets and one soft gelatin capsule which is printed with C300 in black ink. So this is a novel type of formulation where they have included pellet formulation and the soft gel formulation in the hard gelatin capsule. Then HPMC capsule description. As I mentioned earlier, the empty capsule shells are made from gelatin and also from the HPMC. See the description: light blue opaque immediate release hydroxypropyl cellulose HPMC hard capsule printed with BLU 667 on the capsule shell body and 100 mg on the capsule shell cap. Here the immediate release HPMC capsules they have mentioned. Then another example with HPMC capsules. Each capsule is available as 2-piece hypromellose capsule with red opaque cap and white body with a blue radial print. Here the direction of print is given, radial print. So this is radial print and printed with product name. Product name is there that contains 2.2 to 2.5 mm enteric coated beads. The description is very beautiful. Every information is captured in the description here. Then let's come to the capsule printing and band sealing. So print directions are there, that is rotational or radial print as we have seen in the previous examples, and the axial print. Here you can clearly see the print direction. So many of the product manufacturers are including this direction of the printing as well. Then band sealing. Band sealing is done with gelatin or HPMC for making the unique capsule product. Band sealing is done to make capsule leak proof and tamper proof. Sometimes liquid containing hard gelatin capsules are band sealed. This is also, the band sealing is also done to increase the mechanical strength and for product differentiation, that is from RX to OTC. Then coming to the best practices, as I mentioned in the examples, the below points are to be considered while giving the capsule description. Empty shell composition, whether it is hard gelatin capsule, empty capsule shell or HPMC empty capsule shell. Color of the cap and body is to be mentioned. Then opaque or clear or transparent to be mentioned for cap and body separately. Then printing details on the cap and body with print in color and print direction. Print direction means axial or radial. Then description of the capsule contents. The contents of the capsules may be described in the description, that is powder, pellets, enteric coated pellets, or capsule contain tablets or pellets or soft gelatin capsule, whatever it is. Type of release of the capsule or content. Sometimes some of the manufacturers mention immediate release, then enteric or delayed or modified release. Then sometimes the product name is included in the description. Now, before giving the description to the capsules, we have to always check and study the reference product description, which is available in the PIL and the label. Also, we have to check the capsules properly. Physically, we have to check the capsules. Then refer the shade card provided by the empty hard gelatin capsule supplier or empty HPMC capsule shell supplier. So shade card is a information given by the empty capsule shell supplier that is to be referred. Then different strength of the same formulation should have specific differences in the description, that is to be included in the description to avoid the confusion between the strengths. Description is the most important aspect of the product label, and many of the authorities, regulatory authorities, have queries on the description, and we have to respond it. So giving a proper description to the formulation is very much important, and I hope this video will help you to give the proper description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and let's meet with another informative video very soon. The link of the my previous video, that is description of the tablets, in given in the uh, description of this video. Thank you.